Hello everyone, welcome to the final session about the Jodoo user interface. Today we will continue our journey through the remaining management sections, and then I will show you the seemingly small but helpful features on the taskbar. They can be your guiding light to assist you or leading you to the assistance you need. Let's begin by diving into your profile. Go to Management. It will lead us to the Management sections. Under Basic Info, we have Plan Details and Business Info. In Plan Details, you can review your current plan, its expiration date, system usage, and feature limitations. If you need more usage, simply click Purchase More. Let's move on to Business Info. Here we can edit team name, time zone, and complete business information to help Jodoo tailor your experience. We have covered Contacts and Permission Center in the last video, so let's jump to the management tools. A valuable feature in business settings is a Share app. Suppose we have a collaborative project with another team. We can go to Share app and open Settings. Add the app to share. And then send the link or QR code to others. Anyone with a link can open this app, but only an admin can install this app on his or her team. Manage Permission is a paid feature for teams in need of advanced permission management. Once enabled, you can make detailed admin group and user permission search and management in Admin Group Query and Permission Set Query. In Admin Group Query, all the admin groups are listed with their name, type, admins, and permissions. You can search and edit the admin and their permissions. In Permission Set Query, permissions are listed on a form, workflow, or dashboard level. You can also search for and edit their permissions. In Webhook Message, we can synchronize the messages and notifications in Jodoo to another platform, centralizing and streamlining information processing. The statistic page has a login and operation data of your team. The login history contains a list of detailed sign-in records, including username, login time, platform, and IP address. And the audit trail consists of platform logs and app logs of admin actions. These management sections focus on business settings. For personal updates, go to My Profile instead. Here, you can update your personal settings. For example, you can switch your preferred language from English to traditional Chinese. So far, we have quickly covered the business and personal management sections. For in-depth feature details, simply click the question mark on your taskbar to visit our comprehensive Help Center. Our Help Center hosts over 500 documents and videos in both English and traditional Chinese, providing extensive guidance on every Jodoo feature. If you need further assistance, feel free to fill out our support form to contact support for further assistance. Additionally, if you have any ideas for a new feature or suggestions for improving an existing feature, send us a feature request. Next on our tour, we can revisit the Template Center. Here, we can explore and implement popular solutions to elevate your Jodoo journey. Jodoo frequently updates its features and system, typically rolling out updates twice a month. To keep you informed, we maintain an update history that outlines each update. For detailed information, simply follow the hyperlink at the bottom of the outline. We value your feedback, whether it is related to sales, features, or services. Please share your thoughts with us. Your input helps us improve. If we go back to the workspace and explore further, you will discover features like the little star for my favorites and the small bell for system notifications. You will find Jodoo has countless features to help you. Although we can't showcase all features in one video, our Help Center and online support can provide further assistance. This session concludes our journey through the Jodoo interface. Congratulations! In our upcoming sessions, we will delve deeper into Jodoo's key features. Until then, enjoy your exploration, and we will meet again for the next part of your journey. See you soon.